Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a new family of AI models called Instella, and they're making a big statement in the world of artificial intelligence. Developed by researchers at AMD, Instella isn't the biggest model out there, but as you can see from these charts, it's seriously competitive. It performs exceptionally well against other models of its size, even while being trained on significantly less data. But its performance is only half the story. Its real superpower is its philosophy. Most high-performing AI models today are either closed-source or open-weight. Open-weight means you get the finished model, kind of like being handed a cake, but you have no idea what the recipe or ingredients were. Instella, however, is fully open. This means the researchers released everything: the model, the training data, the code, and the entire recipe for how to build it from scratch. This level of transparency is incredibly important because it allows anyone to verify the results, learn from the process, and build upon the work. It's about making AI development a true science, not a trade secret. So, how did they build it? This diagram shows their multi-stage training pipeline. First, they gave the model a foundational understanding of language by pre-training it on trillions of words. Then, they did a second, more focused stage of pre-training to boost its reasoning skills. After that, they fine-tuned it to follow instructions, and finally, they aligned it with human preferences to make it more helpful and safe. The researchers didn't stop with just one model, they created specialized versions too. First up is Instella-Long, which is designed to handle enormous amounts of text. It can process a context length of up to 128,000 tokens, which is like reading and remembering an entire novel in one go. Then there's Instella-Math, a variant specifically enhanced for complex reasoning. It went through extra stages of supervised training and reinforcement learning, essentially allowing it to practice and get better at solving tough math and logic problems. And the results for these models are impressive. The standard instruction-tuned Instella model consistently outperforms all other fully open models in its size class across a wide range of benchmarks. Instella-Math, the reasoning expert, also delivers stellar performance. On this strategic reasoning benchmark called TTT Bench, it achieved the highest score among all models tested, even without ever being trained on similar tasks. This suggests it's genuinely learning to reason, not just memorizing patterns. So, let's recap the important points. Instella is a family of highly performant, relatively small, and completely transparent AI models. By being fully open, it provides the entire research community with the tools to reproduce, audit, and build upon this work. With powerful base models and specialized versions for long documents and advanced reasoning, Instella proves that you don't need to operate in secrecy to achieve state-of-the-art results. This commitment to openness could pave the way for a future of more collaborative, trustworthy, and accessible AI development for everyone.